Hola clase, welcome to week 5. This week, as I stated in the email that I sent you guys yesterday, you will have to do what you have been doing so far. Okay, you come here to content, week 5, and you have to log into your online textbook and you will have to complete activities in Portales as you have been doing the same thing you've been doing this last few weeks. However, this week you have something new, you have something extra. You have to turn in the first draft of your composition. Okay? If you scroll down here and also in the email that I sent, you have the topic that you have to write about. Okay, you have to tell me what you did during the holiday or summer break. Okay, and for that you will have to use past tense and the vocabulary that you have been studying these weeks. Okay, so remember that you have been learning about the pretérito and the imperfecto. You will have to use both past tenses in your composition to tell me about your holidays. Okay. Here, as you see here, these are just some questions that you will have to answer next week, okay, when we do the peer review. So for now, forget about this, okay? Just focus on writing the first draft of your composition. The composition is also due Sunday by midnight, and you have to upload it here in discussions. Okay, you go to discussions and then you see here composition 1. Okay, start a new thread, and here you can upload your composition. Okay, you can either copy and paste or upload a file. Actually, if you could do both, I think that would be a good idea, because sometimes there are some issues, with people like, I can't open my classmates file, blah, 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 when they have to do the peer review. So maybe copy and paste and also upload the file. Okay, so for this week, this is what you have to do. Remember, if you go to Portales, you go to the calendar, the next due date is this Sunday, the 21st. Okay, you have these activities to complete. These activities also include oral dialogues. Please let me know if you haven't been able to find the feedback that I give you for your oral dialogues. Okay, I usually give feedback through VHL, through Portales, or if you submit the dialogue via Google Hangouts, I usually leave the feedback in D2L. Okay, so please make sure you complete these activities, including the oral dialogues, plus the composition. Okay, make sure that you use your own Spanish. Okay, don't copy, don't use online translators. Okay, obviously you can use a dictionary. Okay, you can use the book for help, but you should not use online translation sites, because first of all they don't work, and it's very easy to tell if you've used them. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions. Okay, try not to leave the composition for the last minute. Okay, so again, follow the instructions here. Okay, up to 400 words. If you do less than 400, your grade will be affected. Okay, I mean, if you do 360 words, that's fine, but if you do 200 words, you will receive half credit. Okay, so as I've said, let me know if you have any questions, and buena semana.